What's on Facebook? Oh. People, it's when me done tonight. Anybody want unfollow, unfollow and go on. Because I say, me, no ano muma, no pooper, no big stinking all blood clot redundant or we carry them pussy got ochi from 9 o'clock in the blood clot morning till 6 o'clock in the night. We couldn't block a blood clot sale. Big stinking dirty nasty blood clot landlord Angela Merchant. Yes, my favorite blood clot bulldog and your favorite blood and you're the blood clot gremlin and a pussy clot vampire. Landlord, we can't hold a blood clot life for yourself. We have to live off a blood clot doing life. Forget money. Landlord, we gungo piece fuck from your blood clot 9. Bust up your blood clot body and your pussy hole. Landlord, you can't talk about my blood clot underneath because Maggie drop out a pussy clot you and because you can't cure. Dirty nasty stinking blood clot Erica. Westward blood clot bud to pussy clot Walter. Landlord, go take up blood clot plumbing from under the chapel in there you come talk to pussy clot me. Don't blood clot, get your blood clot, dirty self too bright. What do you see your command on my page and comment? True, you know you say nothing to you? Landlord, you know have no blood clot secret for me. Landlord, we have to live off a blood clot money with doing and not donate to your pussy clot, you turn idiot. Do not fuck your blood clot with me. Big stinking dirty nasty don't know journey pussy landlord where your blood clot landlord the condom them where the man use fuck you pack up in your pussy clot you favor them bambelly kid landlord go suck out your mama dirty blood clot go juice and laba juice plumbing landlord come suck out my blood clot when me the palm my last day period landlord go name out your mama thinking blood clot the blind man will plumb me there with down the fuck your dirty blood clot and look up in your big pussy hole and get blind. Landlord, don't fuck with me people. Feel free. Fifth and follow and black and go on because tonight my blood clot mad. This big stinking dirty nasty blood clot woman. When him carry him dirty thinking dungeon pussy got ochi. Can't get it for blood clot sell. Gamble out the door of them money. Landlord, me and no blood clot doing and me and no greatest social media going have a blood clot with me and you. Landlord, go suck out your mama thinking dirty blood clot. Landlord, your teeth them a drop out of your blood clot head like all dog. Discharge a shake up your pussy clot teeth. Dirty nasty stinking blood clot landlord. We pimp your blood clot daughter them because them nearly collect for them money. Landlord where your two daughter them they are Belgium with them blood clot belly a walk a ground. Landlord where your pussy no value more than 20 Jamaican and 5 and 10 blood clot euro. Landlord go suck out your dirty mama. Erica, Angela Merchant got lava juice, plumb me blood clot, plumb me your pussy salt for make a insect like this dirty blood clot. Dirty woman, don't blood clot, stop here. Every blood clot there, you depend what you think. Me and no blood clot dress because you know make me come on this tumble and you know run off of me for this girl and neck and neck for your dirty blood clot. You think, Landlord, you can't blood clot argue with me, you can't read and write, dirty donut, thinking bumbo clot, woman. Landlord will swap your blood clot, son, to Walter. Landlord, from your blood clot 9, your blood clot virginity gone. Landlord, your first blood clot daughter low 75 seed in the bingo bag and them can't find her father. And me, you really a blood clot. Landlord, let me tell you something again. Me not here June. So let me tell you something. I wouldn't blood clot till June and I left blood clot you. Landlord, when you go come talk, say a blood clot do we and make them cause Siloni. Make Siloni cause people. And you the blood clot first one pan discuss the bomber clot woman and say if gunman, if anything they are the blood clot woman. The old stove where you use where you take the woman money by should have blow up your dirty blood clot and kill you. Go suck out. I don't even know if I tell you if it's suck out. Landlord come scuba driving on my bomber clot when me done fuck. What the blood clot you texted for me for? When your blood clot and me make your pussy not stick? Me say you got watch if you go sell pussy? When you go down there your pussy not stick, when you go there from 9 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening and gamble off the door and them blood clot money you want money left my blood clot name off of it because me say it will be net me people. Feel free because it will be worldwide blood clot 20 per social media with me and the old blood clot germs from over Portland. And your blood clot Nancy whatsoever your name, you still be able to send you know me I go do you see the donation money want to say we a scam. Me I go buy some blood clot pitstone for pack up in on a pussy or on a body hole. And I'm me tell you for blood clot. Landlord, you can't get a food and glass blood clot permit. Don't fuck your bumbo clot. Don't blood clot try do that. You know a blood clot let me flush your shit. Every blood clot you like you want do in blood clot pampas them where you say my use in your mouth. You just a text it pan blood clot people so. Not no set pan me come in no fuck blood clot girl and if me did a fuck you have me blood clot ugly so me no want you fi fuck. Because Landlord from the blood clot crown of your pussy clot head to the bottom of your bumbo clot foot dirty. You're dirty Landlord, you never look like your blood clot beard yet. Landlord go blood clot, use borax powder and road spray in your house. You use dirty no blood clot. The mad people them buy you take your food and blood clot sell it, not even name them want it for pussy clot name. Do not fuck with my bumbo clot. Don't blood clot fuck with me. Yeah, your blood clot, Nancy pussy clot, until you must see your blood clot Landlord pussy tongue for try it up like bubblegum. Don't play with me. Do not do that, mama bumbo clot people. Feel blood clot for you because me say, me no have no mama, me no have no poopa, me no have no mama blood clot pan your boss scam. Landlord, when miss blood clot you feel now, where the liar feed there? I had the blood clot teacher for scamming. So me had the blood clot student. So give me a chance. The people them get them pussy clot money. Where you have a blood clot show up a receipt yet where you buy not no drunk. Don't fuck your blood clot with me. When you feel like you want me blood clot cash up, you're done. Me never tell you for sell cheap fuck. I don't hungry, she blood clot, hungry and pussy clot, broke, and you not have no bumbo clot money. Don't call my name. You're not full no cash up off of me. You're dead before blood clot this and that. Gracie a blood clot, Gracie me and me. Do we and a man and him afraid and him not them not say a man. But me, I will come and rub and dub you upon this blood clot here because I say I have nothing for bumbo clot lose. Me no and nothing for blood clot lose. Big pussy Erica Landlawd Angela Merchant. Go take up blood clot plummy. Plummy man fuck you when have down there and you blind the blood clot man with your dirty blood clot pussy because pussy must red and your one was blood clot blue. Your blood clot bright. Where you go? Back up. Back blood clot up, dirty blood clot woman. When me and blood clot, you don't make pussy clot one. Go suck your mama. Not even fake blood clot work you should have. Erica pussy done and your blood clot miserable. Every early man you look dirty no blood clot. If the people them send a buy the people them picnic clothes where you are wear, Erica go near mouth plummy thinking blood clot and go take up blood clot plummy and the blind man and be them. Go away. When my blood clot come in, me come with every blood clot thing where you want. Come out and talk. You say, "True, me know say me used to rob you, you come out and talk. And tonight you feel like say you want full of cash up and you go full of cash up. Go take out your care. You know what you do? I'm in a blood clot here when me want to say you're so blackers on the run with this and the whole I want to fuck off and wake. I'm a mad blood clot now. Plummy supposed to have a better quality pussy than for you. Care plummy down at what you go make the man then fuck out. Plummy blood clot. I mean I say that with no apology. Cause I'm in a blood clot trouble big stinking bumbo clot Erica. And you say when me blood clot there, anything will come off me mouth, my blood clot chat again. Me no and a mama, if me even my blood clot mama want come over here and see this fuck blood clot cheeto. Cause she know my blood clot mad. Oh, you run up on every mama blood clot body. You go see Mamji after him followed. You take set pa every blood clot body and them not answer you. You're not on a blood clot secret to me because me never did I sell $20 fuck with your blood clot on the roof of Portland or roadside and nowhere. Down to blood, white man no left black woman so blood clot easy. You they used to drunk blood clot Walter. John got himself to your pussy big. So me no blood clot want you for rub crutches with. So leave off for my blood clot. Cause me tell you already, me no Gracie. You come blood clot, I come wait till a late night. Girl, I go a rub for blood clot rub. And a dub for pussy clot dub. Anytime you gamble off the people and blood clot money and you not have no money, no look no blood clot fame for me. Care blood clot plummy, go make them fuck out plummy. I send for blood clot John got you make them fuck out him body hole. Cause you say him a your this and a him a your savior and a him a your that. Me no blood clot care. Cause when me vex, I vex me blood clot vex. And me no business. Me no blood clot lady via me no everybody else where you can't take set take blood clot set pan. Cause my mouth no blood clot nice and you should have did blood clot know that. Don't come size up with blood clot me grembling. Go suck your mama and go find a guy in a college to take out them old blood clot. You scan them out of your thinking blood clot. Me have all blood clot right for me because me have 5-time blood clot. Mama 4 blood clot. Well educated, beautiful blood clot boys and 1 girl. Me never blood clot send you go near none. Bumbo clot, go suck out your mama and go. Don't fuck with me. But blood clot scammer. Scammer blood clot start and finish now your big stinking blood clot. Maggie Erica go clean your blood clot house with the roach them more than that pussy clot. We make you never drink the roach free because you never want to spray the pussy clot roach. Go suck out your bumbo clot mama. Go away. Go take up blood clot plummy and beard her and comb her blood clot here. From a distance your blood clot stepfather where you so fuck you from your 13 stink. With your blood clot worrying family. On all blood clot market rat you. Go away. I go dash for them blood clot baby bed in there where your pussy clot have. Woman, don't fuck yourself with me because you know my blood clot mouth no nice. Blow me one blood clot beard, of course, with our step blood clot father or father now whatever the blood clot man want be. Me not stop to check out who is the blind blood clot man. Erica pussy blind plumbing man. Erica, your pussy. Angela Merchant, your pussy blind blood clot plumbing man. Go away. You old dirty blood clot, yo. Gungo piece fuck out your dirty bumbo clot. I went and send you back, you still gone and I need seller. And I suck off gungo piece out. Just this, you say me have blood clot false teeth. Me have all blood clot right for your false teeth. But your teeth, them in your bumbo clot, that shake with discharge, I shake up them blood clot like an earthquake. You are the only bumbo clot. When me see have blood clot earthquake in your mouth. My false teeth then care ya? But your blood clot earthquake in your mouth and volcano in your big stinking pussy where your pussy and your body in a want to blood clot it eclipse. Don't fuck with blood clot me. Cause you know me no bumbo clot. Me no afraid of blood clot. You can't be tell you. Me and you never did a walk Antoine and I sell $20 fuck. Me and you never did do no blood clot exchange with no pussy. You swap blood clot but you all deep. You want some blood clot stone for pack up in your pussy and your body hole. Use the blood clot black. Them they say you have 400 black. Use them and pack up. Come off from my blood clot. Me don't fuck blood clot. Woman, I used to chew me blood clot ugly. I would never look you because there's nothing about blood clot you women like. What me like? From the blood clot crown of your head to the bottom of your blood clot feet dirty. And your belly blood clot big. Yes, me favorite blood clot bullfrog. Yes. But there's a blood clot grembling. Erica, look by your blood clot belly, I get pussy clot. Bigger by the blood clot. The every day you get black to blood clot. You black like your pussy clot heart. All because anytime you come like the dirty leaky blood clot batty man over there. So anytime money now going on your pussy clot and you did up on your pussy clot platform, I beg sitting for man with bathroom there. Me they come and pan you and say you're a scammer. Dirty blood clot woman where you want money for buy coke. Leave me alone. Don't blood clot stop here because they say you can't go up to blood clot me a neck and blood clot neck. A death before blood clot this Anna. Death before blood before sat up pussy clot. And you say government take me pitney them. Government take them but me have all blood clot rights them. I mean no spot them pussy clot they. Cause that's why I come out here because they are inside blood clot sleeping. But your daughters were from blood clot Belgium to Germany and England selling pussy. They were started selling from in Portland. And because your blood clot daughter then I give you pussy money, you tell lie pan him and sending her approve school. Erica, me never lick my blood clot mother yet. Me never lick my mother yet. Reaction depend your blood clot. You know, so you go like butt against blood clot, son. And take your dirty blood clot follower, the big old thinking dirty blood clot one over there. Well of blood clot talk say, anytime you fuck with people and come, uno blood clot come because me there for blood clot. Any big water hole where me body blood clot boy. Uno come up because I will be blood clot here and I'm a one man blood clot yeah. I will tear up my blood clot body hole pan live and go if I can suck out. Uno don't blood clot know me. Don't pussy clot fuck with blood clot me. Erica wrong blood clot place you stop. Wrong blood clot place you stop. Don't know blood clot. Erica, me see a lot of people on platform I beg money for you. It's all blood clot okay. But anytime nobody else because it now coming at you and you're too blood clot bad mind. I see them when time your blood clot here. When the donor did for donate to you and the lady did say for donate to you, you take the blood clot money and run go blood clot and follow the unblock the plank of them. And as you hear say the blood clot barrel for share your ball up, but you know want nothing. You stink no pussy clot. Erica, you for blood clot get here Mr. Handsome make you know blood clot bath gel. Girl, me know blood clot bath gel from pussy clot Jamaica. Your blood clot forget. Do not fuck with my blood clot because I say I will come over here and I will rub and scrub and done your dirty blood clot. We all stand up naked like a blood clot. Come see you in a draw with your teeth in blood clot. Where the 200 blood clot and add? Where you take up your local cranny blood clot. But the Erica, you cannot get a food angler's permit. I'm going to take out my blood clot food angler's permit and show it because they said you cannot get one. I leave you. You talk, because I know me the fuck with you when do we in time because you're wicked. You're even a blood clot. Look how you ball about you in a mansion and a cock up your old done out pussy where you know see a bud body. Feel blood clot free for consume. I'm go ball now and beg blood clot liar fee go blood clot ball and pray pity party cause me no afraid of none of you and your blood clot follower them. You know run up in this blood clot. Run up anyone who want run up because the same on the blood clot run up me a lick up back on the blood clot for 6 with half foot. Do not come for my blood clot. You see how me there quiet what you think say? This a me blood clot platform. I will rub and dub and scrub your blood clot. Don't blood clot play with me. You text it for every other blood clot. Woman like your blood clot CEO for platform. Go suck out your blood clot, mama. Go suck out blood clot plumbing. And see if you can suck out some of the blood clot vitamin in a blood clot plumbing. Because they say you need it bumbo clot. Go name out the blood clot, the pussy clot, all man down there. The way your blood clot hungry and tan, the blind blood clot, man. You take your mama blind blood clot, man. After you in that's why plummy give you away. Cause after you in a blood clot plummy belly, you take plummy man. Every blood clot man plummy there with, you fuck with them. You take your dirty pussy and give them for $20 for buy blood clot, Heineken and ganja. Before you pay for your blood clot room, you rather live in bumbo clot market and take up your underage son. I find the little boy a 7-year-old. You ship him out to Walter, make Walter fingling batty till Walter fucking till Walter African wife. Feel free to get your blood clot liar. Walter African wife go catch Walter, fuck your son and put out him blood clot. Come past social media contact that. Go suck out your mother 1 million times before you come blood clot come back for me. Because I said if you come for me, I am no them woman there where you cuss on blood clot social media. I am none of them that you cuss and let them ball. Look here, I will rub and scrub. I will take time for done up your nasty blood clot. Do not fuck with me. Find the blood clot free clinic where discharge right out your teeth and go look. Do not fuck with me. You know you must not fuck with me. Go and find a gynecologist to take out all those condom out your blood clot belly. Me have all blood clot right to forever bullfrog because I'm eating my food with my blood clots money. When my picnics father give them maintenance, make them blood clot near out tight because none of them are no blood clot jacket. Me no rap for blood clot none. Me no drunk and coke out no man. I have man in a bed asleep and I take fuck in a kitchen. Me no done no blood clot, man. Me no mash up no blood clot, man. You know you know for blood clot come for me. Stay over there, over trending drama with that. I go find over Gracie with that. I go find Mama J. I go find Anna. Them, but me clean blood clot germs. I'm a flush it. But don't, you should have did blood clot. You wait maybe I didn't name blood clot Kingston 13 for nothing. Right down in a blood clot Maxfield. And my pussy clot granny was a blood clot. Iglas on my mouth, no nice. I'm in a pasha because for me picking them don't want me two boy them don't watch social media. Them the on Skype and Instagram. Me over Facebook. And my pitney them way there. So me not have blood clot. Nothing to hide. I will done out your blood clot 24/7. So even if you come on every 15 minutes and done your nasty blood clot. After you know blood clot better than me. After you know what make me would afraid for blood clot. After me not bury your blood clot dirty thinking pussy and carry it back, ma'am. Me ever bury your blood clot useless underneath yet? After you never saw, I know me blood. The only way I make mother blood clot afraid for argue with you. I for because you did a suck blood clot, the cocky for mentee and pussy clot me will make your teeth them a blood clot, me make the earthquake in your mouth. Make the crackery, your teeth them broke up in your and shake up in your blood clotted like crackery. You think me a blood clot, Cheryl? And every other woman where you take set blood clot pan girl, don't try that blood clot. And if you come like blood clot, Eric, me I come out for you. Cause me not afraid of no blood clot girl and no pussy clot boy pan this. You can bully everybody and I'm blood clot bully me. Cause me no blood clot Fred all oh you run from on top of mother and pain no mine. And tomorrow morning I go and call up the blood clot wholesale. You see since you did ball out and say Chris stop your pot and Gracie stop your blood clot pot. Tomorrow I go and do you. I go and call up the blood clot wholesale them up. As a matter of fact I go and get in contact with them and make them say me and print out that blood clot on my platform. Don't fuck with me. Anytime you gamble off and drink off the people and blood clot money. And you see anybody I get help and enough fear on but me blood clot kill June. Me woulda leave blood clot June and kill pussy clot you because I have no problem with June but I hate blood clot you. And I said this with no blood clot apology. I don't care. I wish you could blood clot dead because you come like them old vampire. I wish the cirrhosis of the blood clot liver where you have will make your belly grow by the blood clot dear. Kill your dirty blood clot. And who are handfalla. Me no pussy clot care when me blood clot talk and your blogger them care, your friend them can run with that blood clot and go say me wicked. Yes, me blood clot wicked because you're wicked because every pussy clot there you get up and you dip on people. Your blood clot are black and bad man. You this blood clot Gracie me don't call your name for no arm. You this Gracie over YouTube and make her money. You run blood clot go over there. All a blood clot bad man, but you want to make blood clot monetize. You're so pussy clot fool. You couldn't turn on the monetize. You have to run, come back over blood clot fearful because you're bad man. You don't like see other blood clot woman. Erica, me make sure say me not sell me. Not sell this, but anytime me have a man, he must give me blood clot money for ya. He must give me money for ya. So me no sell it out blood clot cheap because they say me no want it done like a fear. And me nah blood clot make me pussy and my body eclipse. My pussy nah blood clot done left me. I am very kind, so I am going to take some for Congo worm. Your blood clot pussy and your body and your mouth done before blood clot. Yo, Erica, your mouth dirty. You want to see a blood clot dentist. And you need to see a blood clot gynecologist and a urologist for your blood clot liver. Go and look about your problem and go and see if you can take off your daughters because they are selling, they follow your tradition. I make sure so none of my kids them terrible like me to follow my tradition. Me too rough and too tough, me can't sell fuck because I am not client. I cannot deal with client because my head is the trip. My head is the fiction. Nobody don't call me now. Nobody don't call me now. And my mama call me, they don't call me. Mommy, I could have you they call me because I see one number like a few. Please don't call my phone. Please do not call my phone. Go to your bed. I come of age. I don't live with you. So if you lock your door, if you feel like said I must not curse, I have to come and defend myself. So please do not call me for one. I think it's you calling me. Nobody don't call me. Nobody no blood clot call me phone tonight. Not even me mama. Me picking them asleep. Make me deal with this blood clot or long time redundant blood clot or from Portland. Well, love text said pan people on social media. Do not blood clot talk about me becoming a blood clot. You come, how you think? What day when you come in and make the comment? Me never say nothing to you. Me never say nothing to you. Me never say nothing to you. You come off here, come in and know you. So me no know what the boom a bumbo clot you do over here. You come off here, cause tonight me blood clot head mad. Me no want to see you over here, galang back over there. Any blood clot, by the way, me no know from over here. And you hear 13, say you hear 13, say any mama blood clot or 13, say 13, can't say 13 blood clot, because the live will be up and you can go watch it. I said big stinking dirty nasty blood clot, garbage fly, maggot hole Erica that need 10 chuck of pitstone for pack into her pussy and her body. That her discharge, shaking up her blood clot teeth like some broken cracker or earthquake in her mouth. So she don't have any mouth, she don't have any body hole, and she don't have any pussy hole to sell fuck. But she can take Plummy as her mother, and I said this with no blood clot apology, and go and carry Plummy to sell fuck for her. That's what I said, because I said I give no mama bumbo clot fuck. Once your blood clot come for me, what day she come for me and she go on. Me no say nothing because me used to rub her tonight. I come talk about say me kill blood clot June. Me did I go kill blood clot June and left blood clot, your dirty pussy clot Erica. The blood clot 60,000 where you take from Planka shop or you go buy stove with. God should have did see you and know say the blood clot mad people the money about scammer. A long time you call me bumbo clot name about scamming. Long blood clot time. Who a blood clot scammer like your big thinking dirty nasty blood clot? You scam till your blood clot scam the woman from Gungo Peace and scam till you scam the blood clot man. The man did dead with him pussy clot your side and you call the blood clot. You blind the pussy clot man. You scam your pussy clot mama from him man. Look at no blood clot, woman. I go and flush your blood clot and stay down in the pit. People, good night. I'm going to my bed.